हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल नीरू बोरीवाल शॉर्ट एंड क्लासेस। आज के इस क्लास में हम शॉर्ट एंड ट्रांसक्रिप्शन की डिक्टेशन बोलेंगे स्पीड वाले बच्चों के लिए। यह है वॉल्यूम 2। गाइस, ट्रांसक्रिप्शन 23 का हम फ्रंट करेंगे 400 वर्ड्स। लेट स्टार्ट। मैडम डिप्यूटी चेयरमैन, व्हेन द हाउस रोज फॉर लंच, I was discussing the response of the public to the loan program of the government and was trying to point out that it was rather a serious tendency in the sense that response of the public had been proved to be poorer during the 10th plan period. Then during the 10th plan period, I was trying to point out that looking to the fact that the national income was rising and the people were becoming more conscious of the developing economic and the need to mobilize the resources more and more. A contrary trend out to have appeared, and that in view of this trend was disturbing this trend to be contrasted with the trend of the public regarding the call from the corporate sector for the investment of their money. Here we find that the start of some of the new companies or of the old companies that are issuing new shares are oversubscribed and times to the extent of 15 times the capital that has been asked for by the companies. So here are to the public to subscribe to the public loans, public to the corporate sector, demanding investment from the public, while on the hand there is an enthusiastic response to the demand from the corporate sector on the other program of the government is concerned. This is a matter of some concern, and I feel the government should pay more attention than just exhorting the people to save more and hand over their saving to the government, as the Honorable Finance Minister has done more than redirecting the money that is coming for the corporate sector to the public exchequer in the form of loans. Perhaps the matter would not have been so serious then. It would have been just a question of reallocation of the functions between the public sector and the private sector, but I feel that there is a large amount of money is just charging to some lucrative demand from the corporate sector is 15 times. गाइस, ये डिक्टेशन 3 मिनट 21 सेकेंड की थी। बेसिकली ये स्पीड वाले बच्चों की डिक्टेशन थी 400 वर्ड्स की, और जो बिगनर्स हैं उनके लिए मैंने अलग से शॉर्ट हैंड की सेपरेट वीडियो बना के रखी है। स्टेप बाय स्टेप जाके देखिए। अगर मैं चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। जब तक के लिए थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग। लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब। बाय बाय।